Hey guys, welcome back to my world. This is Kajal Kohli and today's vlog about the Bird Sanctuary. I'm here at Bird Sanctuary. Let me show you the view. We are going towards inside. It's kind of forest. So guys, it's so scary because it's a daytime. That's why I can wander here. Let's come with me. But I'm enjoying this. I hope you won't come here in this weather because here is so hot. And I know that how I survive myself in this hot because you know guys about Delhi temperature these days. I'm just walking around here. I'm looking for a good place to sit. What is this? Come with me inside. Wow, here is a butterfly. Colorful butterfly. See? Wow, it's amazing. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna share with you the way if you want to come here. Here, very near is a botanical garden metro station. You have to deboard the metro at botanical garden, and here is a walking distance for 5 minutes only, and you can get to here. Thank you. nothing but trees, greenery. It's my first time I came here, and of course I'm having a great experience with this place, but I'm little bit suffering with hot weather here. It's a sunny day today as well, that's why. But in my opinion, it's a place which is one time watch. You must come here